Hi everyone, Sirius Blue here with another VRoid tutorial. This is going to be a very quick one and it's going to explain the ears, as you can see on these two models. So, it's like how to apply ears to any VRoid model. It's a pretty quick and easy process. You will be limited to what the VRoid program has. Now at the current time, that's sort of like these cat type ears, which you can change the shape, and bunny ears. So we go to accessories after you've selected your model. Then we can zoom in a little bit. Add an accessory, and then this is also how you'd add glasses, by the way, but we're focusing on ears. So cat ears and rabbit ears. I'm going to click on both so that you can see what they look like. And now I'm going to hide that one so we can just focus on the kitty cat ears. We may change the color. So you click that, that's the color picker tool. And then you just click anywhere on your model's hair to match it to the hair, or you could have a different color if you wanted to. So there we go. Might make them a lighter color. Alrighty, so we've got fur, which talks about this inside floof. So how much fur there is. Hip roundness, so you could have nice round ears. You can make them smaller, you can make them larger. And now you've also got the ear shape. And then the fur for that ear shape. Sometimes this doesn't align very well. So that's better. So you've got to take the fur volume off there and then you'll get a better alignment. But yeah, that may be something that you have an issue with, especially if you're using more than one ear shape to get what you're looking for. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3. See, here's more fox. And of course we've got the tip roundness, so we can take that off. And then you see it's more pointy. Number 4, and that's what we've got. So depending on the ear shape, so let's just say we've got super pointy ears, and then you may want a combination here to get whatever shape you're wanting. And then of course sometimes that fur volume is going to be an issue, and the fur shape, I should say, is going to be an issue when you have a combination of the two. So let's just say that's the shape that you wanted to go with. Now I'm going to explain these axes. So you have your XYZ axis here. You can move, rotate, and resize. So you can resize. That almost gives you a rabbit look, see? So you can go up, width, how, thick or thin they are. So you might want thinner ears. You can rotate them, so then you'll get a wheel. I'm just clicking on the mouse, by the way, to get this work. So rotate, rotate. You can have them on an angle. I'll show you from the front as well, this one. See? You could also have them pointing backwards, I guess, as well, if you wanted to. Oh. And then, oh, did we do this one? Yeah, backwards and forwards. So have them a little bit more forward on the head. Oh my gosh. A little bit difficult, this fitting it around. Anyway, so that's essentially how that works, and you can, move them up, back. So you could have it. My gosh, it's almost like a mask, isn't it? Anyway, I don't know how that would look when you're actually using the model, but you can move them around and then it'll just sync up to, your model's head when your model's head moves. So that's the cat ears. Now let's go into the rabbit ears. Make them visible, choose a color. We can go with the bright pink this time. Every time you do that, you will have to re-click on the ears though. Just a little glitch, a little glitchy glitch. So again, smaller, wider. This doesn't have as many options, but it's cute because you could do droopy ears. Am I gonna sneeze? You have one ear that's a little bit droopy. Ears that stand more to the middle. Yeah, bending. Ears. And I feel like these droopy ears will make a really cute, I'm not sure how you would make them shorter though, like dog ears. You can get a better shape with that. Stretch. Yeah, wider. You can really bend them down. And again, the same thing with these controls where, now usually the ears will sit on the right position, but if you've customized your own hair and it's not divided up as like similarly to the presets, then you may have issues, and that's where moving it around is going to help you a lot. But yeah, resizing. Actually, that's probably where I would make them more dog-like. You could do that, and then you would have to move it back up. There you go. So those are the current ears that you can use in VRoid. You could also make your own with the hair style meshes as well if you want something very specific. And these current presets don't meet your needs. Now, keep in mind that VRoid is a program that is constantly updating, so there will probably be more accessories in the future. We just have these two options as well as some glasses at the moment, as well as the outfit accessories and hairstyle options, different presets and things. So if you haven't updated in a while, make sure you go and check to see if there is a new update and download that, because that can open some new options for you, and that's good if you're not somebody who draws and makes your own clothes and customizations, that it'll just give you some extra things to play with your model. So that's the overall video. Very straightforward, but I was asked about ears on a hair preset recently. This hair preset, which is available, does come with some ears. Oh my gosh, accessories. We wish to hide them. Hairstyle. Overall hair, I'll just show you. There's some of my hair presets. Edit the hairstyle. See this? If it's lit up and not dark, that means it's hidden. So they're the cat ears that come with it. So that's another way of making ears on your model, is through the hair. So this hair preset is available. I'll link it in the description box below. It's both available on Booth and Etsy currently. On my store, Sirius Blue. On... no, wait, it's called VRoid. I got my own store wrong. On Booth, it's just Natalie, and on the Etsy, it's called VRoid. So anyway, all linked in the description box below. We are sort of carrying out the exit of this a little bit, but I hope that this helps you understand how you can make ears for your model. And let me just click on this. See, that's the kind of mesh shape. So you'll have to like edit your mesh shape to suit the style of ears that you want, so that your hair like will follow it. So yeah, that's just one of the, I think this was from the beta version, those ears. I'm fairly certain that that was a beta version option. So that's why that's there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was informative, albeit, you know, sweet and to the point, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.